In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the Wakana Yamazaki Mural here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and I can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up your map, and you need to make your way over to the Shimanayama region over here. And once you're here, the closest point of reference is definitely the Narajuku circuit. This is a blue wristband event, so just keep that in mind. It might not appear for you yet, depending on how far you are in the story. But essentially, just make your way down the far road over here, kind of where like all this stuff is. There's a car for sale. There's the 911 GT304. There's some mascots over here, but essentially just follow the far right path and you're looking for this kind of like gray looking building, whitish, grayish looking building. As long as you're just being consistent and driving on this road, you'll pretty much run directly into it. It's going to be right over here, and I can pause real quick and show you the exact location. Once again, right here, like almost exactly on this mascot. But essentially, enter in photo mode, just like so. Take a picture of this thing right here, and that is going to be it. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.